Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan live stream. Today it's Friday, April 26th, and market is still boring. We can start with Bitcoin as usual, but nothing happened really in the last 8-10 days, kind of idea. So let's start with Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. And let's see what we have. Well, still in the range. We had a drop a couple of days ago. Now you can see this one. We test 60k, we bounced. And now we are just playing fib pong here. Low volatility and ugly environment. You can see we are staying 1-2 days here. We are bouncing. We are staying here. We are dumping a little bit. Not too many things to do in this environment. It's ugly to trade. And it's really hard to make some money in this kind of environment. Most of people will lose the money they made in the uptrend. They'll lose it in this ugly range. It's still possible to make some money? Yeah, definitely possible. But if you play extra careful with scalp only or different altcoins in and out really aggressively, yeah, it's still possible. Okay, so Bitcoin on 4 hour. We are still below this trend line. We are still below short reload zone. We are above this small long reload zone. I have the mountain man here, still waiting, and shark also. Remember that this is 0.5 risk, this is 1% risk. That's how I play the mountain shark 0.5 and 1%. It's profitable if you do the math. Okay. So, not too many things happened. Well, we had a nice dump. And we are bouncing, but the bounce you can see it's weak, like we had this one. Not too many things to do with that bounce. Indicators on 4-hour chart. Well, indicators, they are following the price action in general. You can see here this is not a bearish divergence, but DCM confirming the price action, nice and clean. We had some bearish divergence on MACD. Yeah, we talked about that one. And OBV is just following the price action. I don't see anything special about this one. I'll remove everything here. We had a bullish divergence, but it's played out already. Well, I don't see anything special on OBV. Not for the moment. So, 4-hour chart, Bitcoin, well, we are bouncing around. We can look for setups as many times as we want, but if the market doesn't have enough volatility for us, well, it's better to just wait, maybe do something else. Good morning, Mercurio. Good morning, Marianne. Good morning, Noure. Good morning, Christian. And good morning, Stefan. Guys, if you have any requests, please type in the chat the ticker and the time frame, and I'll gladly answer you. We are doing this live stream Monday to Friday every day. So when you want something, you have a request, please type it in the chat. 4-hour chart, so not too many things to say, to do here. Yeah, we can think about a retest of this EM and breaking down. We had an attempt here, was weak, didn't manage to retest, not even the breakdown point. I still think we can go sideways. We have some news today, so that could move the market. It's Friday, but in the news we can have kind of a dark maul candle. As you can see here, in the New York session, we have PCE, personal income month-to-month, personal spending month-to-month. High impact news. So in the New York session, just half an hour before we'll start the live stream, we'll have this news. We'll see the market reaction, not the initial one at the news, but the market reaction when the stock market will open. Half an hour after the news. We'll see the reaction. That's the most important for me. Okay, so if you are scalping, watch out. At 10 minutes, half an hour before this event, just stay out. Let's go back on Bitcoin. So not too many things to do on Bitcoin. Let's switch to Ethereum, same time frame. Well, you can see it's following the Bitcoin chart, but it's weaker than Bitcoin. If I remember correctly, Stefan had here a long on Ethereum. Decent bounce for a scalper, but 4-hour chart and higher, nothing we can do here. We have equal lows here. This level probably will be retested and will accept. We will test a bit lower. Is the pump chaser zone from the, let's see the area. Let me go on daily and let's see what we have here. Well, it's the pump chaser zone from the entire range from $890. If we'll manage to stay here and push, put a W, okay, we can think something. But look at daily. High, low, lower high, lower low. Can you tell me what we have here on daily? It's pretty obvious. Well, I'll take this level, and I'll take this level, and I'll take this level, and then I'll just get there and extend to the right. Well, downtrend channel, pretty clear on daily, pretty clear. You want to put the steep one? Well, you can do that, but I prefer this one is better. You can put the steep one. No, this one is the best one we can play around. So let's wait and see what will happen. Let's keep the big range, the big short reload zone, and that's it. So you can see, yeah, we can bounce here, but we are in a downtrend channel already. Back on 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, so nothing on Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance. Well, I don't like what I see. I'll be honest. You can see the W forming there. In the long reload zone, if we are thinking swing low, swing high, long reload zone, W in the long reload zone with bullish divergence on MACD, W on RSI, W's on OBV. So you can tell me what setup that is. I think everyone knows that setup. So we have a general setup right there. Exactly at this support here in the top of the range. Was resistance, now it's support, and we are trying to form a W. It's ready yet? No, we can go sideways, but don't be too aggressive hunting long ideas on altcoins in this environment. Just don't. Be patient, wait. I know it's hard. It's hard for me also to wait and wait and wait. You are not missing anything after all. You are winning if you are keeping the money in your wallet in this environment. So I don't like Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully it's just a fake out of a W and we can go sideways. But we can push back in the short reload zone. If will be the case, well, altcoins could be destroyed. And keep in mind, Bitcoin dominance could go here in the short reload zone. In the same time, Bitcoin could drop. Just that the altcoins will drop even more. That will be the ugliest environment. Ugliest for traders because you cannot play the long side. But for investors, well, that's an opportunity. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Doesn't look nice for altcoins. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is still in the channel. Still same kind of idea. AB equals CD to the downside or AB equals CD to the upside. Actually, it's just going sideways. Volatility is going out from this market. I could see here forming a M, going down, forming a W, pushing up in the top of the channel. It's 50-50. I don't like to play on this market. Even if I'll have the opportunity or I'll have it in my plan, okay, I could trade it. Ugly environment, just leave it alone. I don't have to be in a trade every moment from the trading day. I could stay on the sidelines 80% of the time and scalp, pinpoint exactly an entry, an exit, and that's it. DXY, well, yeah, breaking down, retest, and back in the range like I assumed a couple of days ago. We can consolidate here and push higher, yeah, but for the moment, for our daily chart looks the same. We are in the range, let's respect that. That's why I prefer to see market in ranges, yeah, because market is in a range 70 to 80% of the time. So this is a range. We have an M at the top of the range. Everyone is bullish on DXY. Well, I'm still thinking, well, if I'm in a range and I'm at the top of the range and I have an M, maybe it's not okay for me to think too bullish. Yeah, we can push higher at 110, but I'm not counting on that for the moment. So DXY is staying exactly like we want in that range. Now let's go and see what we have on weekly chart. And you can see the range forming here even on weekly. And let's go on Bitcoin. Let's hide everything. And let's see our last candle. What do we have here? Not too many things to say about it from yesterday. In the same time, doesn't look too bullish for us here. Yeah, we are at the top of this one, but could be a fake out for the moment, just for the moment, and we can go at 52. Yeah, we can go to 45. Yeah, I will assume that for the moment. No, I will assume that it's a range here. So this high and this low give me enough reasons to think sideways for the moment. Not too many things to say about the last candle. Let's wait until Monday and see what happens. If I'll put the ink back and everything we have, well, pretty clear for us. Yeah, 2024, buy the dip. This is active now. This 3-bar fractal top is active. Keep in mind, it's weekly chart. Would take a long time until we'll go down to 52 or 45, if we'll go there. Probably at some point in time we will, but not today and not tomorrow. Waiting in the long reload zone, still valid for me. I know at this point in time doesn't look reasonable. Well, no, Bitcoin will go higher. Well, maybe, maybe not. I'll keep my eyes open. If we'll break until here with a week to touch 61.8, maybe even lower, well, that will be a really nice gift for us. Because 2024 is buy the dip year. I'm repeating that as often I can. Maybe some people will understand what I'm telling you. It's not selling the dip, it's buying the dip. So wait for a dip and buy some altcoins. Buy them for cheap. We have a new challenge on Crypto Traders Arena. It's for premium members indeed. You have to be a premium member, but a nice challenge. We activated this one yesterday. We already have some fields. And I think it's a good challenge for us to make some nice money. I put $3,000, the minimum amount, but we are working in percentage also. So if you want to put more, it's totally up to you. Read the disclaimer, please. So it's totally up to you if you want to follow what I do with my money. I'll take this challenge. Stefan is taking this challenge, but the rest of you, it's up to you if you want it or not. Okay, now let's go back on the chart. So weekly chart, not too many things to say from yesterday. Total 2, you can see is looking kind of similar. Now, we can safely go on day trading part and see what we have. Well, I'll start with Bitcoin. I have 4-hour chart also, so I'll start with Bitcoin, but on Bitcoin I don't see anything special, even if I go on lower time frames. Yeah, on lower time frames, nothing. If I'll put 15-minute chart, well, we had this steep trend line, up, down. We are trying to form an EM, but actually we don't form anything. Ugly environment, just don't touch it. Ethereum, well, looks a lot weaker, but if you want to play an LJ here, you should wait a little bit more. Why? You have this one. Well respected, you can see it. This is an uptrend channel on 15-minute chart. And if we'll break the other side, okay, take the first EM and you have a setup to the short side. I'm not allowed to do that. Now, I'll zoom out because on the rest of the altcoins, I don't want to play around too much. So, Solana in the same kind of place from yesterday. Not too many things to do on this one. You can see this one like a bullish retest of this W and W again and push higher, or a weak bounce and breaking down. It's kind of up to you. Okay, BNB, stable coin. You know how Stefan likes to see BNB. Doge in the same place. So nothing we can do in this kind of environment. If we took 4 or 5 trades here, well, nothing. It's just staying here. Fed. At least this one bounced to 50%. Let me remove 50% because we want the short reload zone. We front run the short reload zone. We are going kind of trying to go up, but no strength. Matic in the same area. Nothing we can do in this kind of environment. Look at dimension, same kind of idea. Well, we'll go up, we'll bounce. Yeah, we bounce from $3 to $4, good enough. Now it's bleeding back down. Has to retest this week. We'll hold? I don't know. It's in the price discovery, like I like to say about it. Alt, same kind of idea. Yeah, not in the price discovery because we have some history, but not bullish. We can see YAMS breaking down, weak retest, breaking down. We can go lower? Yeah. How low? We don't know. We have some limit orders in the road to financial freedom a lot lower. Pixel. If you took this trade and you moved your stop to scratch or took some profit off here, you had a 2 to 1, 2.5 I guess. Like I said, this trend line will behave like a resistance and you can see what happened. We touched it and back down. Now for a new setup, no. Manta, weak like everything else. Don't touch it. You can see on PITE, you should have your stop at scratch and you should be out from this trade if you took it. Jupiter, nothing new. Aevo, weak, really weak. Look at this one. It's just, I don't know if it's in price discovery. Well, on Binance it is. So Aevo, it's in price discovery if you flip the chart. But look at this one. It's going to all-time low, all-time high. You can see here. Will form a bottom. That's good for us. For people who want to trust this coin will do something nice, and we want some cheap coins. Well, this is the perfect environment. Start dollar cost averaging. Okay, let's buy some. Let's buy some. Or you can wait for that daily, weekly W. It's up to you. So it's good. It's going down. Don't think it's bad. Buy the dip. Lens, well, is bleeding. Price discovery kind of idea also here. Joe, well, accumulating in the long reload zone, it's always a good idea. We'll go to the upside now and we'll to the all-time high. No, we'll consolidate, bleed. Maybe we'll form another W on 78.6. Who knows? You like the project? Okay, nothing against that. They have a working product. I like the project. So you can start dollar cost averaging if you want. Why not? Buy it if you want to buy the bottom. A lot of people, well, I want to buy the bottom. Well, start dollar cost averaging. Well, no, that is for beginners. No, it's not. It's still the best solution if you want to get the bottom. You just have to know how to do that correctly. A lot of people, 90% of the people, even some people from Crypto Traders Arena don't know how to dollar cost average correctly. It's simple math. But you have to want to learn that. Okay, Doji is staying here another day, another week with cheap prices, another small opportunity for me to keep dollar cost averaging on this one. Not too much, keep in mind. We are talking about altcoin on Doge chain. Just imagine that. But in the top of the bull market could do nice things. You want to catch more than 50, 100x? Well, you should play these kind of ideas. Don't expect that you'll do, for example, 1,100x on Solana or BNB from now on. Well, or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Well, not probable. But some altcoins could do more than 100x. And getting a position in Doge, it's acceptable. If we'll go belly up, well, so be it. I lost 1%, 2% from my portfolio. We'll compensate with the other coins that did 20x. Okay, that's the day trading part, at least in my list. I don't see any requests. Guys, if you have a request, if you have something, please tell me. Doesn't matter if it's weekly chart, daily chart. Just put the ticker in the time frame there and we can take a look. Altcoins with Holy Grail, no. You can see here, well, it's trying something, at least this one. NIR was pretty strong. Someone from our community tried to short this one and didn't work really nice. Seems like it's one of the strongest, holding the level at least. I could see an uptrend here with Holy Grail and play to the long side. I'll take it? No. Algo, same kind of idea, but it's actually a range. You can see here, nothing to do. Metal, well, you can see the range. Yeah, you can make some money. For example, if you manage to get this level and the stop loss was here, well, you are really happy now. Well, if you took this one and your stop loss was here, well, again, you are really happy now. It's risky, it's ugly. You saw what Bitcoin dominance looked like. Let's take a look again at Bitcoin dominance. Well, doesn't look too bearish to me. You can see retesting this range. I'll put 4-hour chart again. So you can see it. Well, V top, retest of the support, and we can start going up nice and clean. At least in this area, the short 3 low zone. After that, we'll reassess and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully, I still hope that will go sideways. Okay, that was it from my part. We'll take a look at some, not meme coins, some DEX screener coins. Genius, you can see this one is still in this range. I still consider this one a nice range for accumulating. Dollar cost averaging is the way for me. So buying every week a little bit, not a bad idea. Could go lower? I think so. How much lower? Well, you can see here. We can zoom in a little bit on 4-hour chart and you can see some levels. Let me show you why I'm thinking like that. Well, you can see untested level. In a black swan event or something bad about this one, we'll test this level again. That will be a gift to buy some. Some people say, well, don't buy it anymore, we'll go to zero. No. I'll buy it with risk management and I could make some money on it. Just imagine buying 6 or below $10 and in 2 days to have more than $20. I'll sell half on a double, get some free coins, and from that point, it's impossible to shake me out. Go to zero, okay, we'll go to the moon, you'll have to go to the moon with me. It's that simple. Okay, that's Genius. Altcoins in general, meme coins, I don't see anything special on them. You can see 20%, 6%, that's nothing for altcoins, for meme coins. Everything is going down. It's bleeding. AVAX, doesn't matter what it is. I told you 2 weeks ago, if Bitcoin is not behaving nicely in altcoin, everyone was too bullish on altcoins and meme coins, and well, it's on Ethereum, it's on Base, it's on Solana. Well, same shit, different pile. Yeah, a lot of developers will just give up when the first problem they will have, they'll see price going down. It's too much money for them. You have to understand that. The guy who made a coin and it's he had 10k in his account, and that coin, if we'll sell everything, will worth more than 100k, let's say more than let's say $500,000. You think that guy will have diamond hands when everything is going down? He'll have to start over again? Well, I don't think we'll do that. I think he'll fucking market sell everything, rug everyone, next boss. He'll put his money in his account. 90%, 95% of the time. It's that simple. And you don't want to be the last to buy and the last to sell. You just don't want to be that guy. You want to be in the middle. Well, he's trying to do something. I see a W, good location. Let's buy some. Let's sell some on the way up. Free position, made some profit. Well, from that point, from the free position point, if they'll put it to zero, well, you didn't lost anything. Maybe you made some small change. If you go to the moon, well, that's something different. But you are protecting yourself and you are thinking about the ugly scenario first. Well, Sanjay, I don't know, is Zika, send me a link. Well, I think you have access on, you are on Discord, so you can send me on general chat, premium chat, depending what access you have, and we can talk about it. Well, guys, it's 25 minutes, I blabbed away. The conclusion, it's same like yesterday. Nothing to do, Bitcoin is boring, market is not doing too much. Simple. You want to see it, you zoom out on, I don't know, 12 hours one day, and you can see this is the environment we are working from some time. And we have more than 1 week playing around in the lower part of this range. Let's see what will happen. At some point in time, we will get some volatility. Maybe even nice volatility. That will be the best scenario. But for the moment, not too many things to do. Okay, let's close the live stream here. I will join VIP guys in the London session. We can hear us again if you are a premium member in the New York session. If not, we have the weekly crypto review Sunday at 4 p.m. UTC. So you can join us there. If not, Monday morning with the same live stream like today. So nothing we can do more than that. The best thing is to protect capital. Take care in the weekend. Could be something ugly. I don't see something nice for this weekend. So take care. See you next time. Bye bye.